Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Kia, guys. And if you need to remove or replace transmission shifting solenoids, stay with us. We'll explain how to do that. We'll explain which solenoid is for what as well. We're talking about automatic 6-speed transmission. It'll work on other ones as well, but that automatic 6-speed transmission has been used pretty much almost not in all, but almost any Kia vehicle from year 2009 to year currently 2022 that uses a 6-speed automatic transmission. So some of those models could be Kia Rio, Soul, Kia Forte, Optima, Sportage, Sorento as well. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission as a shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos for you. If you need to buy any parts, tools for a good price and quick shipping, guys, transmission fluid, anything like that, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. So specifically, we're demonstrating on a Kia Optima. That's the transmission, guys, right here. We remove the oil pan. Stay with us. We'll get to that point. We'll show you how to do that. First we need to drain the fluid, remove the oil pan, then we'll continue with the solenoid removal after that. Specifically, this is okay on a Kia Optima. Right here, this is the transmission. It's exactly the same transmission as I said. For multiple models, it will be just a little bit different size clutches on the inside. It will be made to where it can handle more horsepower or less horsepower depending on which engine you have. So this is the transmission, guys. If you look at it, okay, this, do not remove this one. This is actually to check the transmission level. We'll have a special video that explains how to add transmission fluid and how to check the transmission fluid level on Kia. Please check it out. But then if you go on the underneath that transmission, guys, okay, if you go underneath, you're going to notice, okay, right here, okay, right here, that's your drain plug. You can see that's where it's located. So that one is with 24mm socket. Now some people drain the transmission when the transmission oil is warm, the fluid, so it will come out better. I recommend to do that, but be careful not to burn yourself or anything. Use gloves, eye protection always, guys. And that transmission fluid can get really hot. So I recommend just to drive the car for a little bit, 5 minutes, and then drain it, so everything can stir up a little bit and everything can come out better as well. So that's what we're doing now. Okay, this is the drain plug. It will be covered with, okay, let me show you now here. You see all the shavings. You need to clean that one later. That's from all the clutches, guys, metal particles and all that stuff there. So okay, that's what we need to do now. We'll just let it drain. It will not you will not be able to get most of the oil out. I recommend to let it drain for a few hours, okay, so it can slowly start dripping. We'll have a special video about the transmission filter as well if you need to replace that one. It talks about that. So transmission, automatic transmission filter on Kia, check it out, it will be on the channel. Also, that transmission, guys, you will not be able to drain all the oil because you have some with the valve body, some with the torque converter. So what I recommend, if you want to have really nice, clean, fresh fluid, you will need to put new oil now, check the level, drive the car for probably about 100 miles, then drain it. Do that 2-3 times and you will change most of the oil out. If you do it only one time, you will probably replace only, I would say, 50 to 60% of the fluid. So the fluid has been drained, okay, you can see it's barely dripping now. Next, we need to start removing here, okay, the oil pan and the gasket. So how we're going to do that, 10mm socket, okay, and let's go ahead, turn the light on, perfect. Okay, comes out, that bolt comes out, the wiring harness comes out of here as well. We're going to just tie it on top. You don't need to remove the radiators to do that. You can do it with the radiators and everything inside. We simply have it out so we can show you everything with a great detail. Now, pliers, and we're going to disconnect that vent hose. Okay, I think that's the overflow hose. Perfect, it comes out of there as well. It's pretty simple, guys. Next, what do we need to do? 10mm socket and start removing bolts. A lot of bolts. Quite a few bolts. Too many bolts. Alright. So we're almost getting there. You can see now on the last bolt, hold it open because it may slide out. Okay. Oh, watch, we're even leaking more oil when it started opening. Even though we have the drain plug, you still have some fluid here. Always keep the pen underneath to collect it. So gently grab it. Okay, quite a bit of oil came out. And you can see, guys, this is the oil pan right here. And you can see the little metal particles right here, the shiny things. That's our clutches, guys. Okay, and yeah, contamination here. Now the gasket itself, by the way, it's pretty easy. You just grab it with your nails, okay, and you pull it out and replace it with a new one if you had a leak. But that's how you remove the oil pan. So everything's drained. Now right here, this is the transmission fluid temperature sensor. We need to remove the bolt with a 10mm socket. Then we have 2 more bolts right here that we need to remove. Perfect, one there on the side. Great. We're going to go ahead now, okay, grab that. That's the connector wiring harness for all the solenoids. It could be stuck because it gets in the solenoid, so just, okay, move it a little bit, try not to bend things, okay, come out. Those are your shifting solenoids. If you think you can remove them now, you're wrong, you can't. We need to remove, there is a special locking plate in place, okay, right there. So we need to pre-loosen, okay, all these solenoids now, the bolts for the solenoid. So we have, I believe, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bolts, because we have 8 solenoids. So that's what we're doing now. And once we do those, guys, once we remove them, that plate will come out and it will unlock the solenoids. The plate is there to make sure that those solenoids don't come out and they don't twist and turn. You see, there is a top that actually fits in the solenoids. So later when you install it, you need to align everything, okay, to be able to put it together practically. So let's go ahead and do that now. Perfect, we have 3 more bolts. Alright, great. That plate now, you practically grab it. That's the lock plate. You can see those are the tabs that get stuck in the solenoids and you pull it out. After that, now let's say you guys need to remove, okay, only 3 solenoids that you will not be able to access easily. Let's go ahead actually and show you. Here you have 3 bolts that block the solenoids. You pull them and they'll get stuck. So if you need to remove any of these 3 solenoids, you need to remove the bolt next to it for the valve body, okay, so you can actually pull that solenoid out, and after that, okay, it will come out. You can see just like that. Any other ones you can access easily. So if you want to see how to test solenoid and clean it, because most of the times, okay, it will be dirty solenoid that could be causing the trouble. Also, we have a special video that explains how to test and clean them. Check out the video on the channel, how to test or clean transmission shifting solenoid on Kia, guys, and it will teach you how to do that. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. If you need to buy any parts tools, check out the link in the description of the video below. Thank you for watching and see you next time.